Hi everybody, it's Lynn. I'm from the Conscious Beauty Collective and I'm here at another hotel. I am at the Glossy event here in Santa Barbara at the Ritz-Carlton Bacara, which is a gorgeous hotel, beautiful property, lovely scenery, but guess what? Bad products. Once again, we're finding that a lot of these hotels just must not think about their personal care too much. So here they've got some diptych, which is a candle brand, right? And it is high end, so I'll give them that, and it looks luxurious. But sure enough, once you take a look at the ingredient label, which you can't really see, but rest assured, first thing on here, other than water, is sulfates. Body wash, same. They've got also all kinds of added color. You don't need to add color to your products. You should just be using the ingredients. So I would say Ritz-Carlton overall, awesome, but your personal care products fail. Get clean, get conscious, you know better. You have a little statement card telling people how to dispose of their personal care empties. So clearly you care about responsibility, you care about sustainability and the environment, but not that much. So check out the Conscious Beauty Collective, Pharmacopoeia, Masami, much better options. We've got great lotions too, so no excuse.